In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use a mirror column in automations when using monday.com. 5 minutes. To start, sign into your monday.com account and open the board where you want this to work. Make sure you have a board ready with items and the information you want to reference. We're going to connect this board to another one. So think about which source board holds the data you want to display and automate from. At the top right of your board, click the plus icon to add a new column, then choose More Columns. From the column center, select Connect Boards. This creates a relationship between your current board and the board that contains the data you want to mirror. Click Select Boards and choose the board or boards you want to link. If you want the relationship to be visible on both sides, enable the option to create a two-way connection. That way you can navigate between related items more easily and updates stay in sync. After the connection is created, click into a cell in the new Connect Boards column and pick the specific item or items from the target board you want to link. This step is crucial because the mirror column will pull data only from the items you connect here. If you allow multiple items, remember that some mirrored values might aggregate or show as multiple entries. Next, add another column and choose Mirror from the column center. This is the column that will display the value from your connected item. Open the Columns menu using the three dots, go to Settings, and select Customize Mirror Column. Choose the exact column from the connected board that you want to display, such as status, date, numbers, or people. You should now see that data reflected in your current board's row. If nothing appears, double check that the item link exists in the Connect Boards column. Now let's wire up automations. Click the Automations button at the top right. Not all automation recipes work with mirrored data, so look for options that explicitly support mirror columns, such as when mirror column changes. Select that trigger, then set the action you want to happen based on that change. For example, you might notify someone, move an item to a group, or update a status. Confirm your selections, save the automation, and test it by changing the source value on the connected board. If the mirrored value updates and your action fires, you're all set. That's it. You've connected boards, mirrored key data, and powered it with automations.